guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we'll be making ice cream. I'll be making an ice cream sandwich and a swirled ice cream.
And I will be making a popsicle.
Let's get started.
Hooray!
So first, I'll take some brown Play-Doh and roll it out.
I will get my cookie dough Play-Doh. I'm going to get all of it out.
Now I'm going to roll it out the Play-Doh. There we go. Now first. And this should be good. Press. Take off the excess. And there. Open the Play-Doh and put it in there. And now I'm going to put the cookie over there and start my second round. Roll it out. And
Now it's time to make the frosting.
there we go. And peel off the excess. There. There's my second cookie. And now I'm going to close up the Play-Doh and get out my white. I'm going to make some icing. This should be good. Press. Peel off the excess and put it back. There. There's my ice cream sandwich so far. Now I'm going to make the flowers. So I'm going to need purple and pink. So now, right now I'm going to start with pink. There we go.
Now I will start with my eyes.
Now we'll roll up the Play-Doh. And now make a big flower and a little flower. And a little tiny middle. There we go.
There are my eyes.
And
Now I'm going to make some.
here's some extra Play-Doh.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now I'm going to make a purple flower. This should be good. There we go. Now I'm going to roll this up. Big flower and a mini flower. And the middle. There's the middle. And put it back. Close it up. And I'm going to decorate my ice cream sandwich.
Now I'm white.
There we go.
Pass me the white.
There you go. This in the middle. This in the middle of that. There's my ice cream
There
sandwich.
you go.
Now I'm gonna wait for my sister to start the second ice cream.
There. Now we need to stick the flopping in.
I really like your ice cream.
Thank you. There you go.
Oh, look how cute it is. Let's start the second ice cream.
Okay.
Now we're gonna make a swirled ice cream. First, while my sister's going to do the swirl, I'll make the toppings. So first I'll do cherry that's at the bottom here. I'm gonna get the red. Some red. And I'm gonna add some brown. There we go. Now I'm gonna add this down. A little bit, not too much. And put it in here. There we go. I'm gonna close up the lid and take it out with the tool. There we go. So fix it up a bit. There's my cherry. Now I'm gonna make some sprinkles. Would you pass me the pink Play-Doh, please?
Sure.
There we go. Now I'm gonna make some little tiny sprinkles. Roll them up.
There's our ice cream.
The first sprinkle, you can start adding the toppings. There's the first sprinkle, second sprinkle, and the third. There we go. And I'll have the cherry on top. There. This was so much fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, Rockstars!
Bye!